You just found the 2023 Hyundai Tucson. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take your daily drive to a higher level of comfort and quality with this well-built, well-equipped Tucson. Standard high-tech touchscreen infotainment, standard driver assistance features, and an upscale feel make this stylish compact crossover stand out from the crowd. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, hands-free liftgate, keyless entry, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, premium sound system, remote engine start. Quality blends beautifully with convenience in this remarkably well-designed Tucson. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.